In this quick guide, I'll show you how to justify text in Confluence so your pages look cleaner and more professional. Confluence doesn't offer a built-in justify button, but there's still an easy way to achieve the effect. Start by opening your browser and logging into your Confluence account. Once you're on your dashboard, head to the page you want to edit. Click the edit option at the top so the editor opens. Inside the editor, select the plus icon to reveal additional tools. Look for the HTML macro. If it doesn't appear, you may need to install an app from the marketplace that supports HTML macros. Once the macro is available, insert it into your page. With the HTML macro added, you can now write or paste the text you want to justify inside it. Using simple HTML instructions, Confluence will automatically format the text to appear fully aligned from left to right, giving your document a cleaner, more polished look. After adding your text, publish the page. Your content will now display as neatly justified text, helping your page appear more structured and visually balanced. And that's all you need to do. With a quick macro and a simple edit, you can give your Confluence documents a smooth professional layout.